Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season. Come take a test drive today.